So let's create a button that has a state that's pressed or also called active. So you create a button. This is a shape and then text. You select it, create a component. After creating the component, you can create a variant from the properties. After creating the variant, you can add another variant, which this is going to be the effect when it's pressed. So I'm going to call this one default state, and this one will be pressed state. I'm going to change the color just to make it different. After creating the button and the pressed state, we need to do a prototype. We need to link them. You go to prototype and you link the button like default to the variant. You can see here. And in this case, I want to give it the touchdown action so that when I press, it goes to the pressed state. And this one, I wanted to change it to, I want to change the variant to the default state when I touch up. You will see how that interaction is. So that's basically the entire my entire component. Now that I have this interaction, I can use it in a frame. We're gonna use phone in the asset. My button will be there, here. I had another one previously created, but this is the one that I just created. Since I have other interactions, I'm going to have this as a third flow so that we can see the interaction. Now when we press the button down, we can see it changes. When I release the click button, it brings the default state. And that's how you create a pressed state.